Creating a thriving garden is a goal for many plant enthusiasts. It's essential to focus on nurturing the soil and keeping pests at bay to achieve this. In today's video, we'll explore a simple yet effective method to improve your garden's health and protect your precious plants from unwanted invaders. One easy way to enhance your garden soil is by using baking soda. When you sprinkle it on your garden soil, it works wonders. It helps to balance the pH level, making the soil less acidic. This balance creates a more welcoming environment for beneficial microbes that help break down organic matter. Healthy soil supports stronger plant roots, leading to robust plants that can better resist diseases. Additionally, baking soda can help improve soil drainage, preventing waterlogging that can harm plants. Besides benefiting the soil, baking soda can also keep pesky insects away. Many garden pests, like aphids and spider mites, dislike the taste and texture of baking soda. Sprinkling it around your plants creates a barrier that deters these unwanted visitors. Not only does this help protect your plants, but it also reduces the need for chemical pesticides, making your garden a safer space for beneficial insects and wildlife. Now, let's prepare a simple spray to target pests directly. Start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda into 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This waiting time allows the baking soda to dissolve properly and infuse its properties into the water. After 30 minutes, strain the liquid to remove any undissolved particles. Now you're ready to spray. Use this solution on your plants, focusing on areas where you notice pests. The baking soda acts as a natural deterrent, disrupting the pests' feeding habits. When they come into contact with the solution, it can help manage their populations and keep them from damaging your plants. This baking soda spray is gentle on plants and won't harm beneficial insects when used correctly. It's an excellent way to maintain a healthy garden while minimizing the use of harsh chemicals. Remember, consistency is key. Spraying regularly can yield better results. In conclusion, incorporating this simple ingredient into your gardening routine is a fantastic way to enhance soil health and protect your plants from pests. By following these simple steps, you can create a thriving garden environment. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.